Okay, today we're looking at the 2018 Ford Edge. Go Auto was generous enough to lend us the sport trim, and I know nothing about it, but my friend here, Mark, knows plenty, so he'll walk us through it.
That's what I'm talking about.
This is the 2018 Edge Sport. Included on the Sport are some features that you've always wanted and some that you didn't even know you needed, like a 180-degree front camera with split view, very handy for pulling out of tight parking spots or alleyways, and rain-sensing wipers. Now, one feature you didn't know that you wanted, it actually has a built-in de-icer for the wipers. Some convenience features on the Edge are keyless entry. You got built-in blind spot monitoring and some security approach lights for when you're walking back to your car at the end of the day. Helps you feel safe. It's when looking at it from the back that the sport trim really stands out. Obviously you have the sport badging, a nice big spoiler, and I personally really like the LED tail light and light bar that goes all the way through the back. Now, one of the most overlooked features of the 2018 Edge Sport is the power liftgate. Now, we've all been in this situation before. You're finishing up at the store, your hands are full. We've got you covered. All it takes is one little kicking motion, and from this angle, you can see just how much space there is in the back of the Edge. 39.2 cubic feet with the back seats up. But if you fold them down, you get a whopping 73.4 cubic feet of storage space. We have leather trimmed seats with Miko suede. These seats are actually heated and cooled. The 6-speed select shift transmission has a sport mode, and in that sport mode you can use the paddle shifters. With the front facing camera, you activate it by pressing this little button here. It gives you a little bit of a pan view. So this is not 180 degrees, it's just what's in front of you. This is what you would use if you're pulling into a tight parking stall. You press it one more time, this is where you get split view. You can see the front of the grille. You get a little bit more visibility. This would be for if you're pulling out of an alley. You can see exactly what's to your right and exactly what's to your left. Ambient lighting, you can go into the settings here and control exactly what the ambient color is, which is neat. When you're driving at nighttime, it's a little bit more visible when all the lights come on. You get some in the door handles and the footwells. It looks very, very nice. It's a nice accent piece. Here in the back, you can see that there's still ample room. We haven't adjusted this seat at all since I was up there. Still a bunch of space. Now, if there's only two of you in the back seat, there's a really nice center armrest and console. If you have kids, you might want to think about getting the optional DVD players built into the headrests that have HDMI ports. Now, the reason I mention it has HDMI ports is we also have a 110 volt outlet. You can plug your Xbox 360 into this thing and play it the whole road trip.
All right, I like the way this chair feels. There's a little bit of bolstering, not too much. I really like this thing. I don't know if you mentioned it or not, but the on-screen
Display?
It shows in the instrument cluster. It shows what track and song I'm on.
Mm-hmm. And you can actually get it to show you a little bit of
Oh, the nav will go on
your
there
nav,
too?
absolutely, yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna use this fancy pants backup camera.
Oh, I'll turn the sensors on just in case.
Oh yeah. All right. Look at that. But I can't go. Can I go? No, I can't go left here.
No,
anyway.
you can go right though.
Yeah, I could get used to driving this pretty easily.
Mm-hmm.
It's so quiet.
Oh yeah. And that's another thing. Since it's a V6 engine, but they've done a really good job insulating the cabin, so you don't get a ton of road noise, even on the highway. Not 100% sure on that, honestly.
Yeah. Oh, hey, that beeped at me because I was too close to that guy, right?
Yeah.
Is that what that was?
Something that we haven't talked about, safety.
Okay.
So this thing actually gets 5-star safety ratings almost all the way across the board. You got knee airbags for both the passenger and the driver.
Sudden stop right here.
Killing it. Ford has something called the safety canopy,
Okay.
where curtain airbags will deploy and stop you from hitting your head into the window.
Nice.
Because that is how most injuries occur during rollover.
They're just tucked away in here somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Huh. Hey, what's this button?
Camera.
Oh, I can see. Wait, that's in front of me.
Yeah. So this is the regular pan view. And as you can see, this light is kind of the boundary of it. So the split view, you can see so much more of that
Oh,
light.
wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
This is for like pulling out of alleys or anywhere you really can't see when you're doing the whole like,
Yeah.
can I go?
Exactly, yeah, when you're parked behind a building and going through an alley. I'm going to leave that on, though. Oh, we can't.
No.
For
Only
safety.
very low speeds.
Makes sense, yeah.
This is my favorite vehicle to drive in. Even as passenger.
It's really comfy. I could do a road trip in this pretty easy. All right, I like it. It's a fun ride. I like the comfy seats. I like the comfort features. I like the techie bits in the console here. You're already in the market for an SUV. You should probably give it a spin. So if you like this video, please comment, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe. That'd be awful nice of you. All right, see you later.